Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, my today's topic is the energy for class 9th. Subject is physics. What is energy? If a person can do a lot of work, we say that he has a lot of energy or he is very energetic. So in physics, anything which is able to do work is said to possess energy. The energy is the capacity to do work. Let us take one example to understand it. To cut a log of wood into small pieces, we have to raise the axe vertically above the log of wood, and some work has to be done in raising the axe. If the axe is now allowed to fall on wood, it can do work in cutting the wood. Thus the work done in raising the axe has been stored up in it, giving it the ability for doing work. The amount of energy possessed by a body is equal to the amount of work it can do when its energy is released. So when our work is done, energy is consumed. A body having energy can do work. A body which possesses energy can exert a force on another object. During this process, some of the energy of the body is transferred to the object. By gaining energy, the object moves, and when the object moves, work is said to be done. Energy is a scalar quantity. It has only magnitude but no direction. Now the unit of energy, the units of work and energy are the same. So the SI unit of energy is joule, which is denoted by the letter J. Energy exists in many forms. The main forms of energy are kinetic energy, potential energy, chemical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, electrical energy, nuclear energy. The kinetic energy and potential energy taken together is known as mechanical energy. Now we will take the kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? It is the energy of a body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. The energy of a body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. All the moving objects are capable of doing work and hence possesses kinetic energy. A moving cricket ball can do work in pushing back the stumps. Moving water can do work in turning a turbine for generating electricity. A moving hammer drives a nail into wood because of its kinetic energy. A moving bullet can penetrate even a steel plate due to its kinetic energy. In fact, every object around us which is moving possesses kinetic energy. In other words, every object around us which has speed possesses kinetic energy. For example, a runner has kinetic energy, a running car or bus has kinetic energy, a falling stone has kinetic energy, and an arrow flying through air has also kinetic energy. So another type of energy is the potential energy. The potential energy, it is the energy of a body due to its position or change in shape is known as potential energy. Or potential energy of an object can be defined as the energy possessed by the object by virtue of its position or condition. Suppose a brick is lying on the ground, it has no energy, so it cannot now do any work. Let us lift this brick to the roof of a house. Now some work has been done in lifting this work against the force of gravity. So this work gets stored up in the brick in the form of potential energy. The water in a tank on the roof of a building possesses potential energy. due to its position, height above the ground. A stretched rubber band and compressed gas in a cylinder also possesses potential energy, but this is due to their change in shape or configuration.